Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Today we got this DeLonghi Magnifica in the shop, and pretty much what was wrong with it is when you were to put the tank in, it wouldn't read any water, although the tank was full. So we went in and we replaced both the sensor and the old tank because it was a mixture of both. So this is your old sensor and this is your old tank. And we got a new sensor, new tank in here, so now it's reading well. And since it's a new O-ring, you kind of have to push a little bit more to get it to sense, but it does. And then we did a tune-up on this machine because this machine came in very dirty. So this is your old group head right here. Dusted it off a little bit. But now we're going to do a test shot. We're going to test the steam and hot water functions. We're going to do a double. And we're using our test coffee for this. We did also replace this part because your older one was very broken. As you can see, a very good shot. Looking great. And yeah, so we did replace this also. See, there's two cracks through them. And just to show you that it works, we're going to take the tank out. It says filled tank. We're going to put it back in. You see, ready, strong taste. It is working well. Then we're going to test hot water function. Steady stream. Now it's going to push steam. See, that's working well. Then we're going to do hot water. It's going to get the rest of that steam out first. Everything's working well. And that's all for this repair. If you like this video, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.